Let's start. Principle of the education and the teaching learning process. So aims, function as false completed. And now I starting individual function also is completed. So second one is the idealism. So traditional philosophy is the idealism. Idealism means the realistic. What is the idea behind, right? So it believes that is act of the knowing take place within the mind for a three values. Example, intellectual, aesthetic, moral value, and the purpose. Means what is a doing for a work depend on idea, takes decision for a any complication occur in the hospital. They attempt to give a decision, making idea. What can I do for that? And the best solution given to the patient. So next is the organization of the aim of education. So whenever the patient in emergency condition or have some problem, so first one is the well planned. After then goal and the planning to the achievement, give a procedure, medicine, and all to care given to the patient, right? And curriculum activity. In all this activity to include mathematics, history, geography, general knowledge, and also education provide like a physical education means doing exercise and taking like a healthy food and all, right? And the methods of the education means the what is the idea of the educations. So first attending the lectures, discussion, presentation, group interaction, and knowledge improvement to the like a this is related, right? So next move on. Role of the teacher means the what is the role? That time to give a good opportunity and motivated to the person, and also provide to the good uh, like a good education provide, and there's some videos and to talk to good communication with the patient, right? So disciplines. Idealism believes in the interconnection of the discipline and interest. Means if ever there a problem in patient condition, they attempt to give a good communication and also all history to taking the past history, present history, and the hereditary history. What is going on the in life in the life problems, right? This all include the data collection in the and the making a notes for that. Okay. Next one is the pragmatism. Pragmatism means what? Pragmatism means the philosophy like a movement, satisfaction of the life, right? Means the focus on the education. Means the personally I say that if have any problem but that time to decide I can do it better now, and I feel very good whenever you listening song you are a satisfaction because you are happy that time, right? So pragmatism means what philosophy like a movement satisfaction, right? The chief proponents is the William James, John Severy, Charles Sanders, and the Briggs. So what is the concept is the pragmatism? So it's considered self-activity as the basis of the all teaching learning processes, right? So I already told that whenever you I love listening songs, right? That tend to like a satisfaction of the life. I do very well. That tend to feel like a really nice, right? So what is the education behind of the pragmatism? So pragmatism means a satisfaction. So is a one of the example. Cooperative activity to create is optimized mind who are the architects of the own fate by a process of their efforts. Education should be according the child attitude and the abilities. It depend on the child what what to do, right? Depend on the work and they depend on the capacity of the child to do work. Second one is the organization aim. What is the aim of the education? For the pragmatism. So any child of the adapted get time to give a proper need, interest, attitude, capacity of the of the students, right? And in the whole day to give a like some extra activity also like a sport activity to group activity and also to like a going to outside and something else like a new learning for the students. Okay. And next is the curriculum. Pragmatism is believed to broad of the device curriculum, which is composed of the both content process of the subject ranging from the humanity and the geography and the science, right? Means the what curriculum activity in that way. So believe in the particular way. So I believe that like education is a good for a better future. So believe that because means is a correct form, right? Next is the method of the education, means the teaching learning process. Is it also like a social process, all right, or all people like educated and well settled means what? Because is having a better education, general knowledge, and also to like a good communication with other people because of what? Education, right? So next is the role of the teacher. So what is the role of the teacher? Is not of the director to task a master, but is leader of the group activities, right? Means the teachers to all provide like informations and to teaching, learning, and all. Those are the so many like sport activities and all include, right? So is the leader of the group to guide to the your field related knowledge. Next is the discipline. Pragmatism does not believe in the traditional film discipline. It is advocate for a freedom and the self-discipline in the free conductive teaching learning environment. Means pragmatism is not, I already told that. It's a satisfaction, means what you like to do, any activity, like a freely, to self-discipline, doing drawing, like writing something and else, and then watching TV, watching TV and then time to make a notes to good for a education, right? So next is the realism. Realism means what? Realism means to real behavior that show so that the fact of the situation, it is the correct form. This is chief prominence at it Aristotle, Johann Friedens, Herbert Herbert Spencer. So what is the concept? So realism make the human being understand and enjoy society to the true sense by getting a multi-dimensional real joy of the life in the reality. Means of what is the reality of the life? What is your goal? Right? So realism is the best example for like uh, good education provided like a good place because of what? Education. Right? A teacher like a good behavior in the classroom because what? Because it's a learning, teaching, and all activities provide to the knowledge provide to the students. Okay. Next, organize to the aim of the education. So, what is the realistic of the to provide knowledge through books and all, right? And also to like a group activity. So, it's a well good experience and also to like a own make notes also. Is a curriculum activity selection of the curriculum of the students. Is basic on the ability, interest, and capacity, and to give a help to the students and adjusting and all, like how to communication, how to adjustment, let go, okay, personal hygiene, education, all these provide in the curriculum activities. Means in the students like all to do like that. This is a curriculum activity. And next to the methods of the education. So what is the realism in the objectivity? So particularly knowledge provide to the scientific evidence. Means what is the reality. If uh, any time to like do work, that time to what evidence, like absent present evidence, because making go all times to notes or the something like a sheet, right? A research also to like scientific evidence, because of what, because doing the practical and after getting the result. So what is the role of teacher? So they tend to make a focus on them, on the development, vocational skill and the learners. Okay. And the discipline. So what is the realism belief in the optimal level of the discipline without imposing understand on the learners, right? So dependent on the work, what is the realism belief to the work or the some data. Next is the prenalism. Prenalism means what? Prenalism means the to believe, believe to the great ideas, to generate it like a making something new, well understanding, right? So the chief proponents means the chief proponents Thomas Aquinas, Robert Hutchins, and the Morton Elders. So what is the concept of the preeminence? So education ensures the students acquire an understanding about the great ideas of the civilization. Means the students to give a best idea, best example given, that time to like keep it in mind, and it will help to the like in examination is a base for example, right? These ideas have a potential for a solving problem in the era, and the focus is to teach idea that that are evaluating seek ensuring truth, which is the concept, right? So whenever to give a base example for the students, it is a creative new ideas and the taking notes and all. So what is the organization? What is the aim? So is a universal truth, right? It is the ability to do something new, and that time to is a well trained. So what is in curriculum? They all are included in the literature, mathematics, arts, and science. In all field are included this work, right? So is a minimal opportunity to give a best example to the teaching learning process. What is the method of the education? So penalism is protocols for the education method, which promotes consult the teacher torture interactions such as the oral explanation, lecture and the explanation. Means what? Means all the teachers like a teaching in PPTs on the board or the some like some watching videos and all, right? So that time to give a most important example to give to making a notes, and that just keep it your mind and give a test and all. So it's really helpful for the final exam. And what is the role of the teacher? The teacher must be component and the master of the subject. So can we help their students to develop the power, thinking deeply, analytic, flexibility, and the imaginative. A teacher is also authoritative and the guide to the students. Means the what high authority person means MSc staff. That is a particular subject to give a best education provide, right? So that tend to like a grasping power also to good to the students in the particular subject like MS and research and all, right? Discipline. So education should be organized and conduct in the manner of problem, and the indiscipline does not arise from. See, in the education provide to like a discipline and the professional to maintain. Essentialism. Essentialism is the needs of the education, right? What is the particularly needs to the students in the education? The Steve Prominence, Williams Bagley, Arthur Bester, Admire Hyman Ricard, and the James D. Corner. The concept of what? The essentialism believe that there are common core knowledge that need for a transmission to the students in the systematic discipline way. Means in the systematic way, well planned first and after then like taking exam and all, right? Taking class and the responses, achievement, all this included in the essentialism. So what is the organism? So what is the organization and aim of the education? It is the highly recommended from the school to how to teaching learning process, right? And to the growth of the academy. In curriculum, this is the philosophy of the recommended in actual content with the quality and the capacity of the learners. Depend on person, right? Which subjects are the most important in our life, like mathematics or the Gujaratis don't like that time to like making less than interest like other subjects, but to do more practice on mathematics and all, right? So methods of education, essentialism recommended formal well-being plan. So first be plan, after then discussion and presentation of the group. The role of the teacher. So what is the role of the teacher? Is a must to mastery in the content and after that show off. And the discipline. Essentialism believe in the rigor discipline develop the hard work of the learner to the studies. Okay. So next we'll continue.